I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually finish work at 5 o'clock. I take the bus home. The ride takes about 20 minutes. When I arrive home, I take off my shoes. I put down my bag. I feel happy to be at home. I go to the kitchen. I make dinner. Sometimes I cook rice with vegetables. Sometimes I eat pasta or salad. I drink a glass of water or tea. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I like to keep things tidy. Then I relax in the living room. I sit on the sofa. I listen to music or watch TV. Sometimes I read a book. Around 9 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with warm water. I change into my pajamas. Finally, I go to my bedroom. I turn off the lights. I lie down in bed. I close my eyes and rest. That is my evening routine. What about you? What do you do in the evening? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share,